Hello, it's Brenda Earl-Stokes, and I am here today to show you the brand new Versatile Musician Searchable Index. So what you can see is I have several topics here. We have topic 1, we have topic 2, we have lesson tutorial, skill level, course location, and URL. So let me explain each one of these to you. The topics indicate, the basic topic of each tutorial or lesson. And so, for example, for this one, voice warm-ups and exercises, that is under singing. But then this one here, how to read a lead sheet, is under piano general or piano for singers. And so what you can do here is click the top and you can sort the sheet from A to Z. And then you have everything in alphabetical order. So if you were looking for piano general stuff, for example, then all of your piano general stuff is all there in one spot for you. If you're looking for piano for singers, the same thing. So I did the best that I could to make this as user-friendly and readable as possible. Obviously not perfect, but if you notice anything that seems odd, you're welcome to just shoot me an email. So underneath here, we have lesson tutorial. And what I've done is I've broken out into every individual tutorial, but also every section of different courses that are in here. So for the accompaniment strategies, I have each one of the strategies written out here for you. So that you can see what everything is in there. All right. Next up, we've got skill level, and I was conscientious here to try to make skill levels that make sense. So everyone, these lessons are for literally everyone. It doesn't matter what level you're at. And then we have beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And the beginner is intended for people who are brand new to that subject matter. So if you have no experience with solfege and you're doing the solfege course, you are beginner. If you are starting from scratch in piano, the same thing. Or if you feel like you want to start at a beginner level, maybe you have some experience from before, but you really feel like you want to start from scratch, then starting from beginner is going to be helpful for you. Intermediate is for people that have some experience with the subject matter already. So that's, for you. And it doesn't have to be a ton of experience, just some. And then advanced is for people who have a lot more subject matter in there. And by advanced, I don't necessarily mean like master's graduate level advanced, but just more advanced than beginner or intermediate. If there's any question over if there's a lesson you're interested in and you're not sure if it's the right level, the best thing you can do is watch the tutorial and see if it makes pretty much most sense for you, and then just try it. Worst case scenario, you try it and you're like, oh, it's too hard. So then we're going to go into course location, and this is where in the membership you can find it. So how to mini lessons is a section, chords, accompaniment strategies, all of that is going to be in here for you to check out. And then finally, we've got the URL. So you can click on this active link and it will take you right to the course itself. And you do have to be logged into Teachable in order for that to work. So the reason that this didn't just work is because I was not logged into Teachable. So anyways, all you have to do is click on that link if you are logged into Teachable, and it should take you right there. That will help you too, or you can just go at it from here. So the purpose of this is so that you can search the things that you are looking for. You can also, if you want, go into sort sheet A to Z, and you can look at all of the things that are sort of being filed as advanced versus beginner, so that you can start to look through some things. There's some things that I consider to be crossover beginner intermediate, and then all of the everyone's here so that you can kind of see in the intermediate one so that you can see what is available to you this way. If you would like to search this, if you're looking for something specific. So what I have here is that explains if you want to search the form. So say you're looking for something specific, you're looking for something about pedaling or chords or dominant seventh chords. This is a searchable form. So what you can do is on a PC, you would go to Control and F, and then the little thing would pop up. And then on a Mac, you would hit the Command and F. So I'm going to go Command and F, and this little window pops up, and maybe I would type in pedaling, and it would show me where the pedaling is. It will outline it. So you can see there was piano pedaling techniques. If you were looking for sus chords, the same thing, you can see there are 7 examples of sus chords, and they will show up green. So you can have a look through and see. So as time goes on, I'm going to be updating this every single time I do a new workshop. You can see all these different sus2 things in here. So this will be a living document that we continue to use and update as time goes on. So any questions, feel free to reach out and ask. I guarantee that as you start to work through this, it will become more and more intuitive. And again, if you want to search from A to Z, you just click on the little arrow there and go sorting the letter from A to Z is the way that you can do that. So enjoy this new terrific resource.